Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the fundamental relation, 180 degrees equals pi radians. Once you know that, write down the radian value you must convert. Immediately apply the formula degrees equals radians times 180 over pi. This is the only valid method. For a clean start, put the radian number over 1 as a fraction so you can multiply. Make sure to keep pi symbolic until you either simplify or use a calculator. That prevents rounding errors early on. Next, multiply the radian value by 180 and divide the product by pi to get degrees. If your radian is a fraction, cancel common factors with 180 first to simplify arithmetic. For example, for pi/6, multiply 1 by 180 and divide by 6 then by pi to get 30 degrees. Once simplified, substitute the numeric value of pi only when you need a decimal. Otherwise, leave the result in terms of pi for exactness. Make sure to finish, perform the final arithmetic and express the answer with a degree symbol. If you need a decimal, use pi approximately 3.14,159 and round at the very end to avoid compounding errors. Once done, verify the magnitude. Radians smaller than pi correspond to degrees less than 180 degrees, and confirm sign and units. If the result looks off, recheck that you multiplied by 180 and divided by pi. A common mistake is inverting that ratio when converting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.